We are washing the car. Huh? After over a month, I finally decided it was time to go and wash the car.
So now do you also see what is happening? Oh.
He was really surprised to see the automated car wash. What's happening, Nnanyereugo? Huh? You don't know? See? Poor little one was even scared by the loud noise. Keine Angst, Schatzi. Du nur waschen, schau mal. Wow! Hey, Eva. Hey, nu. Wow, und jetzt kommen Bubbles. Schau mal. See Bubbles. A real adventure. Nnanyereugo. Schau mal da. Das ist Putze. Da bist du keine Angst da. Wow, schau mal, und jetzt gibt es noch violett hier. Schön, schau mal. Dania. But there was too many things to look at. So I guess Nnanyereugo was happy when we were done with the procedure. Haben wir es geschafft? Ja. Hä? Ja. Ja, genau. Jetzt tut es noch ein bisschen blasen. After the washing, the car was blow dried. Ja, jetzt kommt noch der Föhn. So, schau. Ganz fest blasen, schau mal. Ui, blasen alles. And that was it. The car was shining. Hast du gesehen? Schau mal da. Ui, alle gehen weg. Ja? Nnanyereugo was happy, and so was I. The car was finally clean again. Super! Haben wir es geschafft? Yes, give me 5. Wow! At least, that's what I thought. I just cleaned the car. I spent 20 francs to clean it. And now watch this. These birds, the whole 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I don't know when I washed this car last. You never shit on my car, but today, immediately I clean it, finish, you come and shit on my window. Enemy of progress. Enemy of progress. Now, your village people should go and look for you.